But we're going to have to wake them up because they're not awake. They don't even know that they're as magical as you and me. And Malka. That's me.
Do you say you were born twice?
Oh, this is the way the story goes. I come from a planet far up in another galaxy, not around here. And in that galaxy, there's a planet called Zatar. And on Zatar, we have 3 suns. And the suns...
Tatooine, there's 2 suns.
Doesn't. My planet has 3 suns. And each sun is a different color. The primary colors. One is yellow.
One is blue and one is red.
Very good.
On Tatooine, one is yellow and one is orange.
And on Zatar, when we're born, we have, when we're born the first time, we have 1 brain, a male brain or a female brain, according to what we are. And then when we become 18 years old, we get the opposite brain. So if I'm born like you, with a male brain, when I get to be 18, I get her brain, a female brain attached to me. So then I have 2 brains.
So you're born as a male?
Well, the first time I was born like that. No face.
No brain.
Oh, yes, a very important brain. I had a male brain first because I wanted a male brain first from 0 to 18. And then at 18, I got my female brain added to me, which made me whole. And then what happened on planet Zatar, because we lived to 216 before we shed our outside body, and like a metamorphosis, like a butterfly, shed it, it's gone, and then we get born again from the planet to parents that we choose. We get to fly around the planet. It is so much fun. We go. Come on, fly with me. Come on, fly. Fly around the planet. We fly around the planet. And then we say, I want her for my mama and him for my daddy. And then I shed the old body, and then a miracle happens, and I get born again. And this time I think I'm going to come first as a girl. Great.
It's your second time being born, or your third, or your fourth, or your fifth, or your sixth.
Well, this is the beginning of the story of Zatar. Tell you what happened in the beginning. This is way back, billions and billions of years ago. This happened. This is not today. This is not in the 21st century. This is billions and billions and billions of years ago. So, I'm born again. Now with the female brain till I become 18. And then I get the male brain, and then I'm whole again. And this goes on and on and on. And there's so many Zatarians covering all this planet. And we're all so magical, and we all can fly around, but we're kind of like bumping into each other. Boing, boing. So the council members, they have to decide, what are we going to do? So, the big cheese, the creator, the energy field. So much energy. And it's talking through energy. Malka? Because she's now 216, and she's ready to shed again. Why don't we see who wants to go at age 36 to out in the universe and see all the other planets? Well, the big cheese says, we have to make laws and rules. You can't just be so magical and do whatever you want to someone else's planet. It's not fair to someone else. There's got to be boundaries and laws and systems. So they came up with an idea. The ones that were ready to go, and they could pick a mate, and they could even bring children along and populate the new planet, but they would have to look like the way that planet looked. It couldn't be any more without the face. Guys, here, so some of us, like my particular group, came down to planet Earth a very, very long time ago. And the idea was to simulate into the environment, look like everybody, learn from everybody, share stories, but we weren't allowed to remember we were from planet Zetar and we're so magical. We had to pass a lot of tests. So me, or Malka here, never knew that I wasn't human until I turned 60. Because at 60 years old, in 2007, they sent the Monarch butterfly coming down. Ooh.
Are you really 60?
I'm 63. I'm older. But at 60, they sent the Monarch butterfly down to me to wake me up.
I think I know what color them look like wings are.
What?
Orange and black.
You're very, very smart. And they woke me up, and in the morning when I woke up, I went because I got all this energy coming into me from planet Zetar. I looked next to me. There's someone lying in my bed, but he didn't get zapped. What was I going to do? I don't know. So I had to figure out